This is the quickest way to become a Boy Scout. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You might not know this, but I was a Boy Scout when I was a lad. Cub Scout, Weeblo, Boy Scout, Eagle Scout. Yeah, I did it all. Well, I found this, and this is pretty amazing because you have probably always wanted to get dressed up like a Boy Scout. Maybe this Halloween you want to show your love of Scouting USA. Well, you don't have to go out and buy a whole uniform. You can just buy this gigantic shirt. I wish it were a little smaller, but the closest size I could find that was going to fit me was an XXL. So this is actually pretty big. But this is a giant t-shirt here, and kind of looks like a Boy Scout uniform. You got the little undershirt peeking through there, the neckerchief, the merit badge sash. I don't know that any of these are legit. It says Cougar Scouts of America. Cougars, yeah. You even have some patches here on the sleeve, the American flag. Oh, and the old pitch a tent. That actually does exist in the Boy Scouts. And then on this side, we've got, kind of looks like a council patch and an Order the Arrow type of patch. Lucky Shot Archery Camp, troop number, patrol patch. Pretty cool, they do a pretty good job. And then on the reverse side here, we have the neckerchief, and man, this guy was busy. Went after a lot of merit badges. So, let's try this bad boy on. All right. Yeah, a little big, but so am I. So, this is what it looks like. I'm back in the Boy Scouts. On my honor, I'll do my best. So if you want to be prepared for Halloween and you want to show your love for Cougar Scouts, hey, pick this shirt up. I think you'll enjoy it. I'm going to wear it around all the time. All the time. This might add a little enjoyment to your life, so I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.